Pay attention, this is an Elemotion brand packaging machine. Model YD810241. What mission is it carrying this time? For this project, the client has chosen Elemotion's large bag pre-made pouch vacuum packaging machine. It enables fully automated packaging of bulk pork balls with a maximum pouch width of 240 millimeters and length of 310 millimeters. Equipped with a multi-head weigher, which has intelligent weighing system, it ensures fast speed and keeps good accuracy. Compatible with various filling systems. It can automate packaging for whole chickens and ducks, chopped pickled vegetables, hot pot-based mixes, large format boiled eggs, Sichuan peppercorns, and other bulk products. Are you interested in this type of packaging machine? Contact us now.